Hey homesteaders, welcome. This is a video that I've actually thought about making before, but I've never made it before. I'm going to talk about haters hating, whiners whining, and the rest of us just keeping calm and keeping on. I'm just out here doing a little prep work today. We've got all of those beautiful composted pine needles that were all over the roof of the stable that I took down, and we're putting them around our blueberry patch here. So that's what we got going on. But you know, I put out a video recently, and my point in making videos is to help y'all out. And I know I do help a lot of you out, and that makes me feel pretty good that I'm able to do that for you. So every so often, and it was more apparent on this last video that I did, but every so often you'll get someone who just gets annoyed with my personality or the channel or the content we're putting out and takes a hike and loudly says they're taking a hike. Well, you know what? See you later. That's fine. I can't please everybody. Who is it? Abraham Lincoln? Can't please 100% of the people 100% of the time. So in helping out, I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be honest with you about the difficulties we have here and about the things that we go through. And I'm going to be honest with you about what I think people are struggling with, and maybe what things that they need to get over mentally to be able to live a more self-sufficient lifestyle. And if that doesn't sit well with somebody, oh well. I can only give you the information and give you the truth about what is happening. So I had someone unsubscribe and they said, "You're all doom and gloom." Well, no, I'm being honest and truthful. And a lot of people nowadays cannot handle honesty and truth. It just burns them. They want to live in this flowery world where they hear everything that is absolutely perfect and everything is going to be okay all the time. Well, that's not life. That's not reality. So here's the deal. I'm going to continue to give you the truth. I don't care if you unsubscribe, because probably 100 subscribers will come in on the other side for every one person that leaves the channel. But I feel bad for you. I feel sorry for you that you can't handle truthfulness. And I think I'm presenting it in a very nice way. I think I'm not being a jerk about anything, or, you know, I'm not being rude about anything. I don't even know what to say, because I think I can present things nicely. And this isn't me whining. This is me actually seriously concerned about people who have this mentality that they can't handle things. They cannot handle what life throws right in front of their face. If it's something that's not flowery and, you know, perfectly in line with what they thought was going to happen, because that doesn't happen. And it most especially doesn't happen when you are trying to live a lifestyle that is more self-sufficient, but it is more self-reliant, and you are working with your bare hands and doing things. Maybe you're not an expert yet in doing those things. There's going to be trial and errors. There's going to be failures, but that's part of the lifestyle. That's part of life in general. I mean, even in my professional career, I wasn't successful perfectly in everything that I did all the time. I had to learn things. I had to become an expert in certain things in the architecture profession, and I did. But I failed at the beginning a lot, and everybody does. So if you're if you're gonna cry and whine about it, boy, my heart really, really goes out to you, because honestly, I don't know if you're gonna make it or not. So if anything I say offends you, we can have a disagreement and we can talk about it like adults in the comment section below, and I'm happy to do that. You're free to unsubscribe. I don't care. That's quite all right. But you're gonna have to face some big challenges some point in your life, and you're gonna have to face truth. And all I'm doing is trying to present that to you to help you out. And friends, I'm trying to help in a Christ-like and loving manner. That's my goal, is to be more like him in giving you information about him, or about life, or about doing things like this, or whatever it may be. I'm trying to present this in a kind, nice, gentle fashion, but truthfully. So whether that's reviewing a new product for you, or showing you how to grow blueberries, or showing you what we're doing in the garden, or showing you how to remodel a shower, whatever it is, we want it to be helpful for you. So if our videos are helpful for you, leave a comment for us in the comment section below. We'd really appreciate it. All right, have a great day. We love you, and we'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.